safe use of elevators and emergency response. Over the past 2 decades of operations, DMRC today stands as one of the largest elevator-owning agency in India and the only agency other than the manufacturer who carry out maintenance of elevators themselves. After completion of Phase 3 network, we have more than 850 elevators. All the Delhi metro stations are public buildings and they are designed to ensure that the persons with disabilities enjoy their rights equally with others. Accordingly, lifts are provisioned at all Delhi metro stations to ensure that persons with all type of needs are able to commute from ground up to entry into the train and also exit the same way without help of anybody. The lifts are provided at Delhi metro stations mainly for use by person on wheelchair, persons having impaired vision, old age persons, pregnant women, persons with injury or sickness, person carrying infants. For other commuter, DMRC recommends to use stairs. As you all know that stations of Delhi Metro are generally of 3 levels, that is ground, concourse and platform, and are above or below of each other by approximately 7 meters. In order to facilitate smooth passenger movement between different levels, elevators are provided at one or multiple locations between these 3 locations. DMRC elevators are exclusively designed for Divyanjan and necessary features have been included to facilitate them. The elevators available at the entry of stations are provided with ramp for wheelchair movement. Along the length of ramp, handrails are also provided. The tactile flooring is available from the start of ramp at entry elevator to elevator available for going towards platform and up to the point of entry to the trains. Features available in DMRC elevators for Divyanjan: ramp for wheelchair movement, tactile paths for guiding visually impaired persons, lift provided with braille buttons for visually impaired persons, handrail provided inside lifts for persons on wheelchair. The word elevator or lift refers to the same equipment. An elevator or lift is a type of vertical transportation machine that moves people between floors or levels or other structure. Elevators are typically powered by electric motors that drive traction cables and counterweight system such as a hoist. The capacity of DMRC lifts is 3 types. That is 8 passengers, 13 passengers and 26 passengers. The standard rise in DMRC elevator is 7 meters. About 70% elevator fall in this category. However, we have rise varying from 2.4 meters to 21 meters. Our elevators are designed to operate more than 2100 operations up and similar down operations. All elevators in DMRC are having scratch-free enclosures. All lifts are designed to provide necessary safety in case of fire, flood or power supply failure. Safety features available in DMRC lifts. Illuminated position light. All elevators are provided with illuminated position lights of elevator. That is, before reaching of elevator to the floor level position, indicator starts to glow well before elevator reaches to the floor level. Illuminated position indicator. All elevators are provided with illuminated dot matrix type position indicator at landing of elevator. It is used for indicating the arrival of car, displays special messages in case the lift is out of service and power cut situations. The messages that will display in position indicator are like overload, in maintenance, not in use, rescue and fire. Instruction board. All the elevators are provided with guiding rules and pictorial for do's and don'ts for safe ride on elevator. Such instructions are available on outside as well as inside of elevators. Alarms. The passenger in the car can push the alarm button for help in case of emergency and it will be registered in station control room for help. Intercom. The passenger in the car can push the intercom button for help in case of emergency. It is a hands-free type phone and interconnection will be made with persons sitting in station control room or in customer relations center for help. Instructions for safe use of elevators. Press only the required button. Never prevent door closing by your body parts or from your belonging. First allow to deboard passenger, then board and follow last in, first out rule. Don't place your hands on the lift doors. Don't force open the door. In case of emergency, do not panic. Use alarm button in case of emergency. Never use lifts in case of fire. Emergency response. All elevators at our premises are equipped with necessary safety features to ensure accident-free ride and safe experience to commuters. There are following arrangements in each lift to raise panic. Alarm button. It is available in the elevator operating panel. Pressing of this button shall raise an audible alarm at landing and at lift monitoring panel at station control room. Intercom button is available in elevator operating panel. Pressing of this button shall connect call with customer care representative. In highly unlikely event of the above two systems not responding, commuters can connect to Operation Control Center of DMRC, which is operational 24/7, 365 days. Their phone numbers are engraved in instruction plate in each lift.